Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this nice wavy curly look with curtain bangs. I just recently got my bangs cut, so I thought it would be fun to show you how I styled them and get them to look like this. Before we get started, I want to quickly tell you about the jewelry that I'm wearing today. So it's from a brand called Luisa. I've worked with them so many times now. Pretty much every single piece of jewelry that I own is from them, and I've had some of them for up to 5 years and they're still going strong. They haven't tarnished or anything. I wear them in the shower, all that. So first up, I have this really beautiful necklace. So as you can see, it's a nice little rose, and then it also has a little pearl, which is adorable. And I just love the way it looks, especially with this shirt with the lace. It's just such a cute look. And then the second piece I want to show you is these earrings. So this is the one, and then this is the other. So they're two different kinds. Here we have a heart and a little pearl. So with Mother's Day coming up, if you need a good gift for your mom, I think jewelry is always such a great gift, and they also have a sale going on right now. So make sure to check that out if you're interested. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, so I'm starting off here with my Denman brush, and I'm just detangling my hair. And I'm already guiding it to the side so that I can do a nice middle part here. You can always do a side part if you want. And then I'm starting off with the Sage hair oil drops. I'm doing about 5 drops and then spreading that through my hair. And I'm kind of focusing it on the outside. And then here I have the JVN air dry cream. And same thing, I'm just spreading it throughout. And then lastly, I have this styling gel. This one is a very light hold gel, so I use quite a bit of it. And this is what actually helps my hair to dry more straight and less ringlety. So as you're gonna see now, I'm going to start scrunching it, but kind of lengthwise, because I don't want to have my hair get super curly and ringlety. Like, I want more of a wavy look. So I'm kind of scrunching it a couple times the normal way, but mostly just straight. And then I'm guiding my curtain bangs behind my ears just so they can dry nice and straight like that and smooth. And then a couple more scrunches. And then this is what it looks like. And I kind of rotate between air drying and blow drying. So when I do blow dry, I'm just showing you here how I do that. Mostly just hover drying. And then on to the bangs part. So I take out the curtain bangs. I put it around my round brush, and then I keep guiding it around the round brush and just twisting and twisting and twisting, and just keeping the blow dryer pretty stationary. And then same thing on the other side. When I'm done, I kind of just guide it down like that. All right, so here's what we're looking like. I just finished blow drying my curtain bangs, and they're looking pretty nice. And so now I'm just gonna scrunch out the slight cast in my hair. And same thing, I'm gonna scrunch it like lengthwise like this, just so I don't disturb anything too much. You can kind of grab it and scrunch it like this. So I really love this look because it's just such a nice, just wavy. It's not super curly. It's just kind of like a loose beach wavy look. And I had no idea my curls could do this. I guess it's the way that I styled them, like really scrunching them down like this, because usually my hair would look much more ringlety. I'll show you a picture here what it normally looks like. I'll show you the back. And then you can kind of comb them into the rest of the hair so it all looks cohesive. But yeah, I love this look personally. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any questions, same thing, just leave them down in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you loved this video. I would love it if you liked and subscribed, and I will see you in my next video.